This is my 1978 Porsche 924, and this is what my seats look like. So obviously, we need to fix that. I started by removing what was left of the old seats. Then I ground off the rusty, gross stuff on the old frames and repainted them to look nice again. After the frames were looking great, I repaired some of the small holes in the foam, and I found some new seat coverings on eBay. And just like that, the seats looked pretty good, I think. Now, I just have to replace this destroyed door card with the new one I bought, transfer over the old leather, and look how nice the interior looks. I think this was quite an improvement, but what do you think? What else should I do next? Do you want to see this car run? Check out the latest video on our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for next week. We're going to get the car running in an even newer, high-tech way.